Oh, and before I forget, everything that I'm going to be showing you on this video is underneath the video in the description and the links. There's links down there that you can click on if you want to go check them out. And also NotaRubicon's linked down there. And he can tell you a lot more things about more programming. But I just wanted to show you this cable. This cable that hooks to these Baofeng radios. I know I may have said it more than once, but anyway, let's get on with it. The Baofeng radio, We talked about programming yesterday, or whatever day that was on the other video.
Rain forecast for the following. Waters from the Volusia Brevard County line to Sebastian Inlet extending from 20 to 60 knots.
Ooh, that's the weather channel that you can get on here with a bunch of other ones. But what we were talking about was more stuff from Amazon. What did we get this time? Something to go with the Baofeng radio. The cable that should come with the radio, but it does not. USB dual pin that goes in where your earpiece and microphone goes in. So let's see how that works. Open it up. It goes in like so, and you have to push it all the way in, and it clicked 2 times and it went all the way in. So you gotta push it in right here. So now the other end plugs into a USB port on your computer. So now we're going to change to the computer monitor and see what the chirp program looks like. When you start hooking this stuff up, I had all kinds of things popping up and coming up on my computer. I don't know, something with the radio or the cable or something, just making all kinds of windows open up on my music window, my notepad, yeah, my notepad kept opening up, all kinds of stuff opening up when I plugged them cables in and hooked the radio up to the computer. Yeah, but I think it's going to work, so watch more of the video. You ready? Here we go. Now we have the Baofeng radio with the cable plugged in here. It's on. Plug the other end right into the USB port. See if I can get you positioned where you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to find my chirp program, which is right here at the top. Clicking on chirp. Let's see if it opens. It appears to be open. Now let's go see if it'll let me find the radio. I'm going to click on radio. Let's click download from radio. Whoops. Radio. Download from radio. I don't know why all this stuff is opening on my computer. Now it's a Baofeng UV5R. Click OK. Let's see if it opens. Whew, nope, that didn't work. Well, let's just see if I unplug this. Make sure connection is firmly connected. Turn radio on volume may need to be set to 100%. Ensure that the radio is turned to a channel with no activity. Click OK to download. Okay, so I'm going to There's no activity. I forgot about the volume having to be up. Okay, so we're going to click OK. So let's go to download from radio. Let's try 6. Oh, so that's communication number 6 and the volume's all the way up. It took a few tries, but there it goes. Let's see what it does. Oh, so there you go. That's pretty good. So now you've got these frequencies in over here and no tones and no names. We want 16 to be, I gotta make sure I get the frequency right because I haven't been doing it long enough to 462. So we're gonna put in 462.575. Now we'll see if we can put in a name. Hope you can see this okay. It's kind of hard to see. So name. We're going to call this home. Home 2. This is going to be radio 2. So this is home 2. We've got number 3. We've got the... Okay, number 3 we got the weather channel. So let me just see if I can change that. So we want 162.475. And then we're just going to come over here to name and we're going to call this weather. Okay, now that's 2 I've got in there. Can you see those good enough? Let me move you over here a little bit better position. So that's the 2 that I put in there. I hope you can see them. The home and the weather channel. So now to put those back in the radio, you go up here to radio and you say upload to radio. You click right there in the blue line. Can you see that? Upload to radio. Now let's see what happens. The Baofeng, everything's good. Click OK. It keeps bringing that up, but then it goes ahead and uploads. So, and the radio is blinking like crazy. It's uploading to the radio. Okay, and now it should be done. So now let's try them out. So I think I have success. So this one you turn it, I don't know if you can see it or not. I'll try to get it good enough so you can see it. Weather channel and its own channel. I put it on channel 3. Put that one down. Here's my other one.
Special marine warnings are likely along portions of the coast
Channel
during the
3.
afternoon and early evening. Waters found impact.
Cool.
Storms near the coast late today.
Cool. So now let me see if the other one says home when I turn it on. I don't see where it says home. I got to research it some more. But it should have come with a cable like this. The radios should come with a cable like that, but they don't. The link is down below in the description for this cable and also for this radio, and those are affiliate links. So if I sell enough stuff on Amazon, they might pay me just a little tiny bit. But anyway, that's how you program with Chirp, the radio. Oh, and the Chirp, the link to the page to download Chirp is also down under the video in the description. So I'm going to play with this some more and I'll try to make a better video. I don't understand why it took so many tries to get it to work. But it will be easy to program once you get used to doing it. This is Harold signing off. You guys have a fantastic day. And I'll have more videos about the Baofeng radio, and I may get one for the van and change out my CB radio for GMRS Radio, and we'll see how that goes. But there's a lot of stuff to do with this, and I'll have more information for you as soon as I learn some more stuff. So you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. This is Harold signing off once again. Bye-bye. Watch out for my next video. Oh, and Merry Christmas. It's coming.